Welcome to AER Int channel, and welcome back to Surfacing course. In this lecture, we're gonna look at the Offset Surface tool. With Offset Surface, we can create a new surface from a single face or a set of faces, and we can create a distance between this surface and existing surface of 0 or greater value. So how that works? Let's go to Surfaces tab, and here we have Offset Surface. Let's choose this one. So we have first tab here. Here we have to choose our surface or faces to offset. So it can be a surface like this, or it could be one face, or it can be few or many faces as we want. And here we have an offset distance. So we're gonna create a copy, for example, of this face, but this copy will have distance from this face 10 millimeters. So let's click on this face. And now we see that we have a copy only of this face, and that distance from this face of this copy is 10 millimeters. We can increase this distance, for example to 40, and we can see the changes. As well here, we can go to flip offset direction, like this, to other direction. This is one option. We can also choose as many faces as we want. For example, we can choose this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this, and this. Something like this. And now we've got this result. Now we have this preview. And now let's click OK. Now as we see, we got a different result than we have in the preview before, because this face is connected to those faces. If we look from the bottom, we see that we still have this part here, but this part is surrounded by those faces. Let's go to our edit feature, and let's delete this. So we can select those faces one by one, like this. Or let's clear here. Or we can go to one face here, right click, and select tangency, like this. And now we can click OK. And now we got this result. Let's go back again, edit, and now let's clear this one. We can also work with 3D surfaces. For example, we have these more complicated surfaces, and now we want to create a copy of the surface at distance, for example 20 millimeters. We can just simply click on this surface, and now we see the copy of the surface. We can change direction to this direction. Now let's click OK. Now let's go back again to our offset surface. And now we're gonna show us one hidden comment that is inside the offset surface. So this tool is called Offset Surface. But check this, here we have offset distance. If we put here 0, press enter, we see that this name changes to copy surface. If we put 1, we have an offset surface. So we have 2 comments in one comment. 0, let's put a 0 here. So why we use copy? Well, the offset distance is the same as a copy. We make a copy of some face or a surface, but at some distance. If we use 0 distance, then we make a copy of the surface on the same position. For example, the surface. Now let's click OK. Now here we have a copy of this surface. So if we go to surface bodies, here we have trim original, surface offset, and surface offset 2. This is copy. So why would us use that? But sometimes when we work with surface, and for example, now we have this surface, and we have a copy of this surface, and now we want to work with this surface further. For example, we want to create holes, we want to add some surface, and so on. But at different stage or process, we want to save our copy of the original surface, and that's why we can use copy surface. So those are all possibilities that we can have with our offset surface. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.